Choosing between a cough drop and a lozenge? Coughing and that scratchy throat are miserable. You reach for something to soothe it, a cough drop or a lozenge. While often used interchangeably, knowing what's best for your specific symptom can make a difference. Cough drops often contain ingredients like menthol or eucalyptus, which provide a cooling sensation that helps suppress the cough reflex. Lozenges are generally focused on soothing a sore throat, often containing local anesthetics. Both work by stimulating saliva production, which helps coat and calm an irritated throat. Neither typically treats the underlying cause of your cough or sore throat. Choose a cough drop for cough suppression and a lozenge for targeted throat pain. Pick smart, feel better.